This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help diagnose why your refrigerator does not turn on. First, confirm the appliance is fully plugged into a functional wall outlet. Sometimes, a loose connection can prevent power from reaching the unit entirely. Next, inspect your home's main circuit breaker panel. A tripped breaker often cuts power to an entire circuit. You can also test the outlet itself by plugging in a small, known working appliance like a lamp, confirming the outlet supplies electricity. Next, observe if the interior light comes on when you open the refrigerator door. If the light does not illuminate, the unit might not be receiving any power, or the light bulb itself could be faulty. A stuck or broken door switch, which tells the refrigerator the door is closed, can sometimes prevent the compressor from engaging. Gently press the door switch with your finger. The light should turn off. Sometimes, the simplest solution is checking the temperature control. Ensure the settings are not inadvertently set to off or a very warm temperature. Locate your thermostat dial or digital control panel, typically inside the refrigerator compartment. Slowly adjust the setting to a colder temperature, perhaps to 37 degrees Fahrenheit for the refrigerator and 0 degrees Fahrenheit for the freezer. Allow at least 30 minutes for the compressor to react to this change. Now, let's listen closely to the back of the refrigerator, near the bottom. A healthy compressor typically produces a consistent low hum as it works to cool your food. If you hear nothing or only irregular clicking sounds, it could indicate a problem with the compressor or its starting components. Additionally, the condenser fan, located near the compressor, should be running to dissipate heat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.